Just had to get a few more minutes, man. They're really hammering it up there. This is the first time I've ever seen them like this. I mean, really. They're blowing me away this morning. I'm really excited about this. This is so exciting for me. There's only 2 old birds up there that I flew all year last year that were off my A team, and that's it. 13 birds up there, 11 of them are 2016 bred babies. Oh man, really? This is really cool. I had to record some more. I just couldn't stop. I gave them some red cell 2 days ago in their water, about a teaspoon per gallon. And now they just got pure water yesterday and today. I get it all week. I only use it 1 day a week. Oh. Oh. Ooh. It's just a matter of time. Just gotta fly them. Got 2 months still, almost, till the prelim fly. Maybe by then, they should be gelling by then. Oh, that's some nice depth too. Come back around them trees, fellas. Oh, nice. Let's get one more pass. Oh, right behind the tree, bummer. Huh.